Successfully gaining access to business funding is not just about being qualified, it is also very much about being ready to apply. Many business owners are qualified when they apply for funding, but still they get declined because they were not ready. Our business finance and credit building system will help your business pre-qualify and be ready to apply. Right now, 3 out of 5 new businesses do not survive more than 3 years. So what separates the successes from the failures? Survival in today's market is dependent on you, the business owner, recognizing the need for a system that ensures you have the knowledge, tools, and access to financing needed to support the growth and success of your business. Our system helps your business build strong business credit scores that are separate from you personally and that make sustainable credit and funding accessible. Your business needs its own strong business credit scores that can be leveraged to secure cash lines of credit, equipment, vehicles, and more. Good scores can also be used to obtain favorable payment terms from vendors or suppliers, business credit card approvals, and to lease or purchase commercial space. Unlike your personal credit, which stays with you, business credit scores remain attached to your business. Good business credit scores are valuable, can be transferred to any new owners, and are immediately available for their use. Our system helps you to access business financing and build your business credit scores the fastest possible way. The system begins with addressing your business lender compliance items. This helps us identify any missing compliance items that lenders may require for approval. Applying before completing these items likely will result in your business being declined. Lender compliance includes simple items such as having a business address, getting your business listed on the National 411 directory, making sure your entity is in good standing, and 17 more items. Once we've helped your business to become 100% lender compliant, we then make sure your business is set up the right way with the 3 major business credit reporting agencies. Lender compliance and correct reporting agency setup are 2 very critical steps. Once they're done, you will be able to access our proprietary database of thousands of credit providers and their terms for extending credit to your business. The goal of the system is to help you build strong business credit scores. To accomplish that, you are going to need what is called a 1-3-5. That is 1 bank loan, at least 3 business credit cards, and a minimum of 5 vendor lines of credit that are all reporting to the business credit reporting agencies. Inside our system, we make sure you get that done and that you are on track to build strong business credit scores. This will give you access to the financing that your business needs to succeed.